Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by grounding yourself and removing power. This prevents shorts and static damage. Once done, remove the battery pack and unscrew visible screws with the correct Torx bits so you don't strip heads. Next, use a thin spudger to separate the halves at the seam. Go slowly to avoid clipping internal ribbon cables. Make sure to note screw locations and small plastic clips as you work. These initial steps give clear access to the USB board and create a safe workspace for the repair ahead. With the case open, identify the USB port solder joints and any surrounding pads or traces. Visual inspection reveals lifted pads or cracked solder. You'll want to test continuity from the port pins to the board traces with a multimeter so you know which paths are broken. If corrosion is present, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Let dry. When you find a cold joint, reflow it using a temperature-controlled soldering iron and flux, making sure you don't overheat nearby components. You now perform the repair. Reflow suspect joints or solder a replacement port, and when traces are torn, bridge with thin insulated jumper wires to restore continuity. Use flux and minimal solder. Once satisfied, reassemble the shell, ensuring clips align and screws return to original holes. Reinsert batteries and test with a known good USB cable and the console. If the controller still won't connect, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify power to the port pads with the meter and check for a blown power regulator or damaged ground return before replacing the main board.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.